Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Doreen and welcome to today's video. So guys, in today's video we are just going to do an ordinary cooking, like we're going to do a simple African meal. I'm going to do this for dinner actually, so I hope you're going to enjoy this video. I've already done a matumbo recipe on this channel. I'm going to ring it up there so that you can go check it out. But in this recipe we are also going to do matumbo, but in a different fashion. So guys, I hope you're going to enjoy this video. So guys, here I am with my water which has just boiled. I'm going to do ugali, and I guess ugali goes so well with matumbo. Comment down below, let me know what do you normally do, like what starch would you like to take your matumbo with. For me, I prefer ugali, and yeah, it really comes in handy. So guys, without any further ado, let's do this. Let's cook the ugali. Afterwards we are going to do the matumbo, and then we are going to clean the utensils we are going to use to cook, because a clean kitchen tells a lot. As you saw earlier guys, when my water boiled, I added some olive oil to my water before I added flour. Some people normally add the normal cooking oil, others add propane because it really adds some tastes in ugali. If you're using the original flour, like the one from direct from the portion mill, I would also recommend if you could add a pinch of salt on your water before you cook, because it really gives it a nice taste. Comment down below, let me know, do you add any oil, do you add brew band, or you just cook your ugali like just like that without adding anything.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by.
At this point, my ugali is ready, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it. Guys, I want you to be keen on this. Actually, if you really want to store your ugali like warm or hot, if you're not going to serve it immediately, I prefer using a foil. Like, I just cut a foil, then I roll the ugali, cover it with the foil, actually with the foil only. This helps the ugali to remain hot, like to the time you're going to serve it. Most people normally keep the ugali in the hot dishes and all that. I prefer using the foil because the ugali is not going to sweat. If you keep it in the hot dish, the ugali is going to sweat, and it tends to have some water and all that. Like, it doesn't like taste like the original ugali and all that. So if you do this, you're going to obtain the heat from the ugali until the time you're going to serve your ugali, and it's not going to sweat in any way. So try this and you will thank me later. Apart from keeping it hot, you're going to get a nice shape of ugali. Like when you're going to serve ugali, you're going to cut it into nice shapes. So try this out and let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried this, and let me know how do you normally keep your ugali hot after cooking and you don't like serve immediately.
But it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
At this point, I'm going to prepare the ingredients for the matumbo. Here I have some tomatoes, some bell peppers, that's red pepper, and green pepper. So I'm going to cut them into reasonable sizes, and then I'm going ahead to blend them. You guys, I'm going to mix everything together and then I blend them. While blending, if you love chili food, remember to add some chilies, and then you blend them together. Also add some spices like turmeric, paprika, and any spice of your choice. You are not limited when it comes to that. And then you blend them together, and then yeah,
you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good.
Here I am, guys, in the sink. I want to clean the utensils I used to cook, so that I can leave the kitchen clean. Comment down below, let me know, do you clean as you cook, or you cook, finish, and then you clean? Comment down below, let me know how you normally do it. For me, it will depend on what I am cooking. So let me know what you prefer in the comment section. Thank you so much for staying tuned until this point. You are the real OG, guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much for clicking, and thank you so much for sharing me out. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're